Hello there friends, mga kaistorya. Welcome again to my channel. And for today's episode, tuloy tayo sa ating Clarkfield, Pampanga escapade. Ang sarap talagang gumala dito sa Clarkfield, Pampanga. Napakalinis ng kapaligiran. Lahat sumusunod sa traffic rules. Like the first stop, first go rule. How I wish sana all part of pag everyone is talagang strictly following the traffic rules, di walang traffic. Tama? Yes! Anyways, medyo nag-uulan-ulan na nga kanina, pero syempre, nararamdaman pa rin naman natin ang init ng hangin or init ng panahon. Yes, friends, weather is still relatively hot. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kaloy's Istorya Tour. Please, pakiclick naman ng subscribe button and paki-like and share na din. Thank you very much. And for today's video, diretso muna tayo sa Clark International Airport dahil susunduin natin si Mayor. Joke lang. Ang Clark International Airport is formerly known as the Diosdado Macapagal International Airport from 2003 to 2014. Almost 80 kilometers from Manila and is accessible by way of the Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway, covering the portions of the cities of Angeles and Mabalacat City within the Clark, Freeport, and Special Economic Zone in the province of Pampanga, Philippines. According to my research, the Clark International Airport was nominated as a finalist for the airport category of the 2021 Prix Versailles Awards. And in 2023, it was named as one of the most beautiful airports in the world. Wow! Really? Wow! Oh wait, there's more! This March of 2024, Clark International Airport bagged an award at the Roots Asia 2024 held in Malaysia. To dates, Clark caters to local routes including tourist destinations like Boracay, Cebu, Palawan, and among others. So, let's visit Clark International Airport. And after nating magsundo sa airport, syempre, tayo ay gutom na. So, why not try Lala's Garden Cafe? A 10 to 15 minutes travel from Clark Airport. Dito lang yun banda sa Barangay Pampang, Angeles City, Pampanga. Combining the luxury of food, coffee, and the lush of indoor garden. So, tara G! Ayan, busog na kami. Thank you very much for that Samtus meal. So yummy. So for our next thing to do is joyride muna tayo. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Mga kaistorya, itong Clark is just approximately 80 kilometers from Manila and very accessible by land and air, which makes it very convenient for every client and tourist visiting their offshore team anytime. Originally built as an American military air base, Clark is positioned nga para maging next emerging offshoring destination in the Philippines. Ayon sa aking mga nabasa, Clark comprises 4 main districts of development. The Clark Freeport Zone, or mas kilala bilang Clark Freeport and Special Economic Zone, which features infrastructures na kung mabibisita nga kayo dito, mararamdaman nyo nga na ito nga isang cosmopolitan hub with country clubs and mga theme parks, mga casinos, restaurants, mall galore, and others. Siyempre, ang Clark International Airport where we visited recently. And of course, the new Clark City na kung saan ginanap naman ang opening and closing ceremonies at mga athletic events ng 30th Southeast Asian Games held last 2019. The Clark Global City, where you want to taste the authentic Kapampangan cuisine, attend the most anticipated Aurora festivals, and as well visit historical landmarks. Ang 177-hectare land ng Global City or Clark Global City will serve as the primary business district with residential houses, schools, hospitals, BPO hubs, and hotels. All of those we will try to feature in our next series of episodes. For now, dito lang po muna tayo. Thank you very much for watching. Ito po si Kaloy at ito ang Kaloy's Historia Tour. Thank you.